अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक। आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ 20 बहुत ही अहम फ़िक्रात। गुस्से में इंग्लिश बोलिए इन फ़िक्रात के साथ। Before proceeding, subscribe to the channel and press the close bell button so that interesting videos like this keep reaching to you. Without wasting of time, let's get started. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. तमीज से बात करो. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. मुझे नहीं परवाह कि तुम कौन हो. What nonsense are you talking? What nonsense are you talking? क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? I won't spare you. I won't spare you. छोड़ूंगी नहीं तुम्हें. How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? कैसे हो सकते हो तुम इतने लापरवाह? Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. So what? So what? तो क्या? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? क्या मजाक कर रहे हो मुझसे? What do you think you are? What do you think you are? क्या चीज़ हो तुम? Be in your limit. Be in your limit. अपनी हद में रहो. Don't ever do that again. Don't ever do that again. दोबारा मत करना ऐसा. Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. चिल्लाओ मत मुझ पर. I lose my temper in anger. I lose my temper in anger. गुस्से में मैं अपना आपा खो देती हूँ. Don't mess with my mind. Don't mess with my mind. दिमाग की दही मत करो. Why are you getting mad at me? Why are you getting mad at me? मुझ पर क्यों भड़क रहे हो? To hell with you. To hell with you. भाड़ में जाओ. Mend yourself. Mend yourself. सुधर जाओ. Who the hell you are to ask me? Who the hell you are to ask me? तू होता कौन है मुझसे पूछने वाला? What brings you here? What brings you here? यहाँ कैसे आए?